Okay, what we're going to do next is review the procedure for adjusting the motion sensor sensitivity. And to locate that motion sensor for the security system, 3 screws had to be removed, allowing the cover plate to come off of the rear view monitor. And upon looking down on the right side behind the fascia, underneath the vent hose, you will find the location of that sensor, motion sensor. Vent hose being held on by a screw, loosened screw, vent hose will remove, giving access. Once the motion sensor has been located, it will be obvious for the 2 adjusting screws that need to be adjusted. One is for exterior sensing, one is for interior sensing. And upon adjusting those 2 screws, for either more sensitivity or less sensitivity, depending on the need, it can be replaced and cable tied, wire tied back in place. The vent hose reassembled, screw tightened on the vent hose, and at the end, reinstalling the rear view monitor cover with the 3 screws that were removed earlier. What we're going to view next is a procedure for accessing the rear motion sensor for the security system. You need to go to the rear room on the passenger side of the vehicle, go to a Panduit connector plate or a receptacle and remove the cover that you saw just being removed. That exposes a dual channel raceway, and in that raceway near the ceiling you will see the motion sensor, same as the one that we looked at earlier up front. Once that is located and adjusted with a small screwdriver, it's just a matter of putting the Panduit cover back in place, getting it started at one end, and it's going to take a little pressure to get the rest of it back into its pressure fit at the top and the bottom.